platform. So, or we call that a broker account. So where you can find those brokers accounts, you can find them online. So you're gonna find them online. So there are plenties of platform or apps that you can open your broker account. I've been giving you to you before. We have those video. If you want, just go watch my video about. I gave like 7 best platforms. Just go search for my under my YouTube videos, 7 best platform. Just go there. I'm not gonna repeat them here because we have a class, but just go there so you can know those platforms so you can open your bookers account. So you can have your bookers account so you can open your account to trade or to invest your money. As I've been told you, the first thing that you may need to do, just open a brokerage account. A platform is like when you have a bank account, you go to Chase, you go to Bank of America to open a checking account. It's similar to when you want to invest, you need to have a brokerage account. So go there and see those videos, especially that video, how to open the platform that need to be open account. I'll give you 7 of them. Now, as you can see there, first of all, you must have a platform to open an account. You must have a platform to open an account to buy and sell. Remember, this class is for beginner, but if you also intermediate and you don't know that much, you can still watching this class. Now, you must have a platform to open an account to buy and sell. Remember, in trading, we have what we call trade or investment. So when you after you open your account, your brokerage account, you have 2 things that you can do. Either you trade or you invest your money. You can do these 2 things by investing or by trading. So investing or trade. So therefore, you trade or you invest. So now, how do you trade? Because as I just told you, 2 trading that you can do. You trade or you invest your money. All right. So when you trade, you buy. Now that's the difference. There's a big difference between trade and invest. When you trade your money, you buy now and then you sell later. All right. So you sell later. So what does it mean when you sell later? That means you can sell after you bought. You can sell 5 minutes after, 10 minutes after, 1 week after, 1 day after, 1 month after, and 6 to 9 months after. You can sell 6 to 9 months after. That's the way you can do it. Because remember, less than 9 months is what we call trade. But more than 9 months is an investment. Now, on the other hand, when you invest your money, we can leave it there more than 9 months. It can be 9 months to up. can be to up anytime. It can be after 5, it could be after 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 20 years up. So it depends. So when you trade, you can trade, you buy now and you sell later. You can sell 5, 6, 7, 10 minutes, 2 minutes, or 1 week, or 1 month, and 1 day after. It doesn't matter because you trade. But when you invest your money, you buy and you leave it after 9 months, because after 9 months, it's a trade, is an investment for long term. We call that long term investment. We will call it long term. So you buy now, the day that you bought, and you leave it for a long term period of time. So you can sell it when your stock or your share get good value. When you get value, so that means when the money gets higher, higher, and higher, and higher. Now, but when you trade, you buy now, you sell after 5 months. But there are plenty ways that you can do in order for you to trade. Before you even know, or before you even trade, you have to know some technical analysis. We call that technical analysis. We call it technical analysis. We have what you call technical analysis. All right. So you do what you call technical analysis. So when you trade, that's for trade. Remember that. Before you even start trading, you have to know your technical analysis, because by trading, you got to know those things, because those are very important. It's not the same as you invest. When you invest, you don't need that much to know about technical analysis. You need to know like a balance sheet, all those things. But trading, we have to know technical analysis. So now, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is about like knowing your short, which is your candles, because we know what we call candles, candlestick, knowing your candlestick. Sometimes we have line short. But most of the time, people use the candlestick. I'm going to show you what it looks like, because the candlestick is even better, because you can see and read what you call price action. So you know the price action better, and you can see it better by using candlestick. In the line short, most people it's hard for them to see the price action. But in candle, you can see price action when you can see the wick, like the price like that, the body and the wick. I will show you what is the difference, and I'm gonna show you what does it look like the candlestick. So that's why we call it technical analysis. So, and also after knowing your short or your candlestick, you need to know what you call your indicators. That's for the beginner of this class. Now, indicators. Indicators. What is indicators? Indicators is like you have what you call your line, like your moving average. On lesson 3 next month, because every month I'm gonna give you a lesson. I will teach you what is a moving average, what is look like, and I'm gonna show you a MACD. We have in indicators, we have what's called MACD, MACD, MACD. We have RSI, and we have la Bolliger Band, and etc. We have plenties and plenties of indicators that you can implant there or use, but each of them do their own things, and you have to know. And we have what you call resistance and support. Those things are for technical analysis or trade. You need to know those things at least to be able to trade. But when you invest your money, you don't need to know that much of this because it's not very important. Trade, you have to know the fundamentals of the company, brand company, monopoly company, strong company, and as soon as you know those things, you have to do the study of the company before you even buy for investment. But when you trade, you can trade any type of company. It doesn't matter it's a great, strong company, but you can trade it. But the most important that you must know in is the technical analysis, how to put those technical to know if the stock gonna go up. Because the reason that you need to know your technical analysis, if you're gonna buy for going up, you have to put some technical analysis that can help you to see if the stock gonna go up or down before you even buy. And remember, you have to do what you call buy. So you have to know when to buy and when to sell. This is what you call technical analysis. You have to know when to buy, and when to sell. Because remember, start going up, down. That's the way it's been going every day. Up, down. Sometimes it's going higher, and it's going a little bit down. It's going higher, not too far, and it's going lower than the previous low, and it's going up and low, and sometimes it goes sideways. In the stock market, we have three ways. We have up, we have down, and we have sideways. So that's the way the stock market been doing almost every day. No other ways. It's been going up, down, and sideways. So you have to know how to use your chart or how to use your indicators that you can put there to buy. And remember, I'm gonna show you in the next lesson how to buy, when to buy, and where to buy and where to sell. So you're gonna have to stay there, subscribe, and like, share. So anytime I got the next class coming up is a free class, so you will be notified and be known about it. The last thing I'm gonna show you ways to buy in the stock market, and here's a step by step to start your journey. There's a step by step to start your journey. First thing, as I've been told you, you open a brokerage account. You open a brokerage account. First, you need a brokerage account to buy stock. So it's like a bank account. When you want to open your checking account to put your money, you go to Chase, you go to Bank of America, you go to West Fargo, and you open your account to set up to put your money from your job for whatever. This is similar to if you want to trade. You're not opening a bank account to trade, you open what you call a brokerage account. There are plenty brokerage account online. If you want to know them, just go watch my previous video. I've been giving you 7 best platform. I'm not gonna give it to you now because I already made a video about it. Just go and watch it. 7 best platform. The second thing you need to do, decide which stock you want to buy. So it's up to you. You're gonna choose the stock. That's up to you. Nobody can tell you what stock to buy. You have to make your own study. That's why you have to take class. So under this video, I will put my link. I offer a class too. You can click it. On this class, we offer more stuff, give you all those secret, all those technique, how to trade. This class is very cheap, so you can take this class also. Remember, this class I'm giving you for free is nothing compared to what I'm giving you to the real class. So just click on the link, and then you're gonna take you to the class, and you can pay for it very cheap. Go there, you're gonna be surprised. Now, decide the third thing. You're gonna decide how many shares to buy. All those things we've been discussing in our real class. We're not gonna give it to you now. You're gonna choose an order tab. Order tab, you're gonna know what is an order tab. If you need to know that thing, you can take this class. That's a regular class that you're gonna pay a fee for it, which is very cheap. And then fifth, you're gonna place the stock order with your brokerage. And then you're gonna build your portfolio. So you have to build your portfolio and then check, lastly, not the least, check regularly your portfolio. So those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 journeys that you must take step by step in order for you to start trading. Okay? I think that's gonna be all for today. But that's just me review for you today what we've been discussed. Remember, this says class in session lesson 2. How class for free? How do you buy in the stock market? I've been told you, first of all, you must have a platform to open an account to buy and sell. And we says in trading, we have that we call trade or an investment. So I've been told you when you trade, is that the same as investment? When you trade, you can buy now, you sell after 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes, 1 week, 1 month, and 9 months. And remember, less than 9 months is trade, and more than 9 months is investment. And when you invest, you can leave your stock for 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, 10, 20 years more is up to you. So, and then when you buy low and you sell high. I've been told you that. And we have what you call buy. I've been talking to you about stock been going 3 ways. It's been going up and it's going down. Sometimes it's going higher. Sometimes it's going lower. And sometimes it's going a little bit high, a little bit low. And it's been moving sideways. And it's been doing that every day, same thing and same thing over and over. And also, I've been told you, in order for you to trade, you have to know your technical analysis, which is some indicators. I've been told you about moving average,